In this video, I'll teach you how to assign multiple resources to a task where each of the resources starts on a different date. There was an interesting question posted recently in one of the Microsoft Project user forums. The user wanted to know if there was a way to schedule resources on a task so that each of the resources started on a different day on that task. Well, of course, yes, there is a way to do that, and in this video, I'll teach you how to do it. So let's get started. In this project, I need to assign two resources to the task design. Their names are Mickey Cobb and Sarah Baker. Each of them will need to work full-time for 40 hours. However, Sarah Baker will not be able to begin her work on the task until Wednesday of the week of June the 1st. Here's how to schedule this unique working arrangement. Put your mouse pointer anywhere in the white or gray part of the Gantt chart screen and do a right mouse click. On the shortcut menu, choose the Show Split item to display the task entry view. In the task form pane, first select the resources that will be working on the task. So there's Mickey Cobb, there's Sarah Baker. Each of them will be working full-time. That's a units value of 100%. And each of them will be working for 40 hours. When I click the OK button, Microsoft Project calculates a duration of 5 days. However, Microsoft Project scheduled both Mickey and Sarah to begin work on Monday. We need to delay Sarah's work to start on Wednesday. Here's how to do that. Place your mouse pointer anywhere in the task form pane and do a right mouse click. Microsoft Project will display a shortcut menu of different sets of details that you can display in the task form. Select the set of details called Schedule. Oh, here we go. Here's where we can see when each resource is going to begin work on the task. Well, for Sarah Baker, we have a delay of 2 days, so I can just enter in the delay field for Sarah 2 days, and when I click the OK button, now we get a new duration of 7 days. We can also see in the task form that Mickey will start on June the 2nd and Sarah will start on June the 4th. Now, I want you to be able to trust the schedule in Microsoft Project. So I'm going to do a little bit more. I'm going to right-click again in the Gantt chart screen, and I'll deselect Show Split. Sorry for interrupting the video, but I just noticed there's people from all over the world watching this video. If you wouldn't mind, would you please leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know where you live? I'd really appreciate that. And now, back to the video. And then I'll go to the View tab to display the View ribbon and bring up the Task Usage view. This is what I want you to see. On the task design, Mickey Cobb and Sarah Baker are each assigned to work 40 hours. We can actually see the start date and finish date of each of their assignments. Notice in the time phase grid, this timesheet-like grid over on the right, that Mickey does start on Monday and works 8 hours a day for 5 days, and then she's done. Notice also for Sarah Baker that she does no work on Monday and Tuesday. She does begin her work on Wednesday, works Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of the first week, and then 2 more days into the second week. How did Microsoft Project calculate this new duration of 7 days? Here's how it did it. The earliest starting work day is Monday. The latest finishing work day is Tuesday of the following week. Microsoft Project measures the duration from the earliest starting assignment to the latest finishing assignment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. That's why the duration value is now 7 days. Well, now you know how to schedule the resources assigned to a task to start on different days in that task. As always, I trust this video was useful to you. If you have any questions or comments, I'd encourage you to leave them in the comments section below. And speaking of comments, if you'd like to hire me to train the project managers and schedulers in your organization, do leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you right away about that. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.